Meet the kiwi, one of the strangest birds on Earth. It can't fly, and its wings are almost invisible. Unlike most birds, it smells with its beak to find food underground. It's a night explorer, active only when the world sleeps. Its feathers look like fur, more like a mammal than a bird. It lays a massive egg, which is about 20% of its body weight. With strong legs, it can run faster than you expect. Kiwis are loyal. They often stay with one partner for life. They live only in New Zealand, their one and only home.